Sometimes I see a vision of the system. At night I climb aboard and stop to listen. No way they know the things that we be doing. So just say everything that's on your mind.